Welcome back. You are now looking at Canva.com and we are going to work within Canva.com in order to create the images that we have suggested to us by ChatGPT. What you do first is to create a custom size image. You typically create a square image. You then create a design, which you'll then do is to go to your apps area. And you're going to choose the text to image application. You're going to see it here on our left side panel, but you can choose it here from the new apps. What you're then going to do is you're going to place in the text from ChatGPT. We are going to select one of the image prompts. Once we have our prompt, we are going to select photo. We are going to then generate the image, and we can select an image that we want. We can add it, and typically what we can do here is we can then set the image at the background. What we can then do inside of Canva is we can download the image. So we are going to do here is we are going to click download and we are going to download the image as a PNG file. And we have now created an appropriate image to use in our sales presentation. Okay, with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.